Let me share with you some interesting statistic from one of my YouTube channel. Right here you can see I was making maybe about $20 a month. It's jump after to make about $4,000 to $3,000 a month. This is from beginning of my channel. Yes, it was from 2011. This is old channel. I have it for a long time, and you can see I uploaded and I have some views going 1,000, and certainly is huge jump. I have it already a lot of videos. It's not like I start publish, because right here you can see I have it just open 2,400 videos. Actually, it's about 3,000 if we count and listen. So it's a huge content. This is not only on my channel. I have multiple other ones, channels that is perform very well. Most of them is actually monetized. And my oldest is over 19 years old. I start utilizing AI tools. I want to share with you some tools that I discover that can do for you exactly same things what I done here. It's not just one viral video. It's helped me produce a constantly videos that was staying for over 200,000 views. 3 weeks ago, it's already 157,000 views. 2 years ago in 2022, when I start thousands videos, but maybe it's time to start make money with a YouTube. Maybe just produce content. It's fun, but let's produce content that people want it. I want to show you how you can use it. AI tools like Emergent, workable tool. This is not just to show off case. This is not flashy site with a lot of images or anything. You can do this. You can even create games here. What I want to show you how to create a real tool that help you make real money in an area where you want it. And stick around, because I will give you some interesting ideas that inspire you even more. Before we start, let me point this. This video does sponsor by Emergent, but all projects, all ideas, all expression, test, it's all come from me without any influence from them. And of course, if you want to try by yourself, I will provide link down below for you so you can experience by yourself. Well, let's start first from my own experience. What is an Emergent? It assistant that allowed to build applications. Single person, just with a simple text without programming skill, can create a fully workable, fully marketable and useful application. I was using before this tools like a VidIQ. If you're a YouTuber, you probably know what it is. Or I was using example a TubeBuddy, which help as well. They have some free tiers, but they're not really good. If you want something good, something workable from this, you probably want to pay tier. But here's a problem. You go on the pricing and it starts with 26. Trust me, it jumped quite a bit higher after. And it's become too expensive. And after this, I'm saying, you know, I can do the same things. I just need time to develop. And here's where Emergents come to the help. Because just literally for $20, it's how many credits took for me to create these applications. It's actually work better than their applications, to the point maybe other people want to buy and use this application. Well, it just works. Let me show you what it does. Right here, I just type in text what I want, and I describe my application that I want to create analytic information about my channels, give me idea. Well, let me show you first. Right here, you can see it's my channel at Geekatplay, one of my channel. Down below, and by the way, all UI, everything was created by AI. So I don't program anything here. And you can see below it's have an advanced option, so I can say what area I want to focus. Right now it's identify. I'm working with AI tool on this specific channel. However, if I want to work something else like educations, I can also check, and this will say, okay, then we'll work with those areas as well. Next, down below, it's have an analyzer. So let's click on analysis, and look, it's instantly come up. What does analysis does for my channel? It's tell me, okay, I have it 666, evil number, yes, 666 of my current subscribers. This is take a last 25 videos analysis. It's have it how many recent views, what average views I have it per video. I also have it what optimal, and this is interesting things what it's already created. So look, what is optimal videos for my channel link? So I create a lot of time like very long ones, but after I figure out they're too long. So this has helped me analyze and look on my content, and this is all. It's actually AI went to my channel, pull out this information and showing me. But this is only first step. So right here you can see my 6 months performance. All is okay. That is nice. It tell me content pillar, AI reviews, conf UI, tutorials, music, gaming. Yeah, it's what I do. They're also showing me below what is currently trending right now at this moment in this area I specify. AI tools, all okay. That is one step, kind of analytic. What is best AI can do is take all of this, all the analysis, and create for me, retrieve from different sites, all this. By the way, this is what it does. It's get from Google Trend, from all sites that I need to spend times, just go around and try to find through all this code. So right here, let's click on generate ideas. Right now, it's what all this behind the scene magic it's happening. It's going on Google Analytics. It's going on Google Trend. It's going to YouTube. It's look what popular, what is not popular, what is people using, what they want to see. Again, this is related to me, but just imagine if you creating related to your, doesn't matter, it doesn't need to be YouTube. It can be anything. Are you a landscape creator? Maybe you want to go and check for the landscape in your local area. Oh, look, it's already done as I speak. See how fast? Let's go click on ideas. Look on this. It's create 8 different ideas. But each idea, how it's created, it's incredible. None of other tools that I show you before did this job. Okay, let's look what is happening here. Again, it's related to me. It says it's a long format video, how difficult for audience, 4 out of 10, 6 out of 10. So it's still how difficult it will be. Hit level, it's how popular. If I create this is real hot. It means it's a very good subject. Midjourney 7 killer, it's give me subject. It's tell me what is review to do. Tell me what is search value, how many percent people searching, how viral it can become, saturation in the market. So 70, it's quite a bit saturated market with this video. So I'm concerned this possibility of the revenue getting from this. Next, what recommended link usually for this video, hook. What is should hook of the video will be. Why now? And it's explained why I should create this video now. What is competitions here? Tags to using, relevant score to what I was looking to my channel. Click through event calculated, competition, retention, longevity, and also even a risk factor. It's tell you ensure early possible this problem may happen, maybe maintain stability because it's everything changed. So it's tell me before I create video on this idea, it's tell me this is these benefits, this is potential risk, this is what you need focus. I mean, this literally for content creator, for me, it is a gold mine, just this one applications. And you know what? I don't need pay. I created, I just pay once and it's all. I own these applications. I can run, I can deploy it where I want it. I want to create. I can even share with other creators if needed and maybe monetize on this as well. So this is excellent. How to do? Very simple. You don't need programming anything. Just type like change colors. I don't like them. Just type this and say you don't want this one. Or for example, you can say, hey, you know what, this advanced options does not need include, or wherever you can put it. And it just like this, press enter and it will create for you. It will add more options or other if you need it. Same way it's how I was developed. I gone through this and I create many different versions till you achieve it. This is a programming assistant. This is having your programming team. So now let me share with you some ideas what I can create. And I did, because I did create this and it's work. Like one time I was sitting and says, hey, I want to buy good airplane tickets. But do you know that majority of sites, Travelocity, on whatever it's kayak and everything, it's owned by same corporation. Most of those things when you search for the flying tickets, they're owned by same company. They're playing with the prices. But it's have many different sites that we don't know. So I create AI, which go there and find for me the cheapest tickets, and actually it's showing me map when is the best to fly. Yes, I just create this, just sit down and says, I want to do this. It's created. The next, you can create a music search, for example, if you want to find what song you want to listen, a film, anything. I mean, whatever come in your mind, you can do this for the business. I said before, if you're landscaping, mowing the grass, you need to find your clients. Go right here, create application and says, let's create applications for my marketing needs to find clients around you. And this is literally endless. People without any programming skill can create application, can create AI assistants that literally replace a huge team of programmers, huge team of the researchers and marketing, because its tools already exist. I'm really impressed. I work with other ones, services, and they're not that good. They're kind of creating, but they fail. This one lists on example, it is deliver what is promised. So I will again put a link down below so you can go ahead and try test for yourself. Let me know what you create and let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.